So have you ever gone on a trip to maybe a city or a country and wondered what type of food that region is known for? Well, now with the website TasteAtlas.com, you can go in and search the world to find out some traditional dishes and authentic restaurants of different cities, states, and even countries. So let's take a look how it works. If you go to TasteAtlas.com, you can start by exploring the map. You can zoom into any state or any country and just kind of zoom around and see which states or which cities are known for certain types of traditional foods. Right now I'm going through and I'm just scanning this map of the US to learn about some of the traditional and popular foods of each individual state. If you're from the US, some of these should look familiar to you. But you can also go in and search. So I'm going to do a search. I'm just going to type in Buffalo, and it's going to give me the option to search the city of Buffalo. It will take me directly to the map and show me buffalo wings, the signature dish of that region. You also probably noticed that when you search for buffalo, it's going to give you some other options that you can select. How about this one? 5 traditional dishes you have to try in Buffalo. And there's a lot of information that's on this page. Now let's switch this. Let's go ahead and this time let's search for Japan. We'll now get taken directly to the country of Japan. And again, as I searched, there were lots of different options. So at the bottom, not only can I find things like desserts in Japan, rice dishes, but look at this, beverages in Japan. It's going to show me some options in terms of sake. And you'll notice along with the write-up, each item is also rated. Now, if you like, you can add to the Taste Atlas or at least submit information by creating an account and logging in. So again, if you are traveling, one thing that you may want to check out is the Taste Atlas, just to get an idea of popular food, beverages, and locations anywhere around the world.